stuffed toy versus dog. Right, Dad? Okay. Come on, Pepper, continue. Go. Oh, come on. Okay, Pepper, wait.
Shunning the spotlight.
You're losing your former glory, Pepper. Come on. Come on, you're losing your former glory. Yeah, wrestle it. Wrestle. Oh my gosh. Look at that fierce face. Oh gosh, Dad. Oh my gosh. Yeah, it's a fierce dog. And also Pepper got a haircut. And now she's wrestling a stuffed toy. Oh my gosh. This is so funny. Oh gosh. Oh gosh. Okay, Peter. Oh, Peter. Wait. Okay, there.
Your light is on, right? Flash.
Yeah. Oh. Okay. Oh gosh. How do I turn the flash off? Is this it? Turn the flash off. There you go.
Just turn it off.
I don't know how. Plus, you can't turn it off while you're recording. Look, there's a fierce dog. Okay. Just move out of the way. Okay. Okay, Pepper's taking a rest. She's just laying there now. I'm just gonna go behind her now. It's already been 2 minutes. Shiny. Gosh. Gosh, no, don't look at me. Yes, Pepper, keep your former glory. Gosh. Oh no, she got up. Come on, keep going. Oh gosh. Oh no, she ran off. There she is. No, she was there, but no, she's gone. Okay, there's my mom. Okay. There's her victim. That's her victim. It's basically just a stuffed toy. See, it's fake. It's not an actual toy. Oh, there she is. Okay. I'm just gonna leave now. Okay. Maybe if I just leave then. Yeah, it's working. Oh my gosh, so funny. I can't believe I got this on camera. Okay, come on, keep going. Oh gosh, no, don't look, no. Oh gosh, this is so funny. Oh gosh. Oh, don't look in the eyes. Oh gosh. She's wrestling. Okay, now she's a fierce dog. Okay, let's go. Oh gosh. Okay. Oh gosh. This is so funny. You better like for this one because it's so funny. You better, please, just do it because this video is so funny. Yes, take him down! Take him down! Take him down! Okay, now she's just laying there. Come on, Pepper, get up. Fight the fierce dog. Bite him! Come on, yeah, bite him. Bite him, wreck him, do stuff. Stuff. Yeah, get him right there, yeah. Here, there you go. Yeah, give him a nice massage.
Trying that movie Open Water.
It's good. It's just my dad talking about a movie. Okay. This is so funny. Yeah, you're wrestling that dog, Pepper. Yeah, you're wrestling. Hey, let me get this guy's little saying. Help me. Yeah, Pepper doesn't want me to touch her fierce victim. She doesn't want me to touch her victim. Okay. Well, she's getting salty, guys. She's getting a little salty. Oh gosh. Yeah, she's getting salty, Pepper. Yeah, she salty plus pepper equals angry pepper. Okay, salty pepper, I mean. Okay, guys, I hope you liked this video. If you did, like and subscribe. Oh gosh. Okay, bye. And also, just leave a comment down below if you want to see another one. Okay, bye.